He's a baby bird. He can't fly. We need to nurture it.
He can't fly. It looks like he just knocked out of his tree.
Yeah.
No.
No, it's very alive.
Don't worry.
It's so cute.
You dare me to touch it with my bare hands.
It's scared, dude. It's scared of us.
Dude,
Are you still recording him?
yeah, I'm still recording. It's like, bitch, stop recording me.
Don't do it, dude.
Oh, he like almost jumped too. He got ready. He got ready.
What is that? It's like dirt. It's like,
Dude, I swear.
Like, dude, I swear to God.
It's like me in New York City. Dude, if you touch me, I will bite your fucking finger off. Touch me again, you lose your hand. Again.
Oh my God, your foot.
Again, you lose your arm.
He's
then
so
your other
scared
arm.
that he's frozen. It's so cute.
maybe we should back up, but I want to keep watching it.
Alright, I'm done recording. Peace off, Saltsters. That is a beauty of
If
nature.
he explodes because he has like a heart attack or something.
He's no, let's believe that he's gonna be okay and he's not gonna die.
Still recording him?
Yeah.
Get closer to him.
I already
Get like a close-up shot. Give it to me.
I already got a close-up shot.
Oh, he looks sleepy.
Oh my God.
Look at that high def.
I know. So beautiful.
Let's see what it's like from his perspective.
I've got a feeling.
No.
It's like super zoomed, so it's like probably super zoomed to his face.
Where is he? I lost him.
Right there.
Oh yeah, it's like it's not HD though.
All right, whoever has a bird cage at home, take it.
I do, but my parrot's in
Oh,
it,
it's
so.
starting to rain.
Um.
And also look at that old man over there.
Alright, we gotta
And the birdie.
Alright.
And the people on the roof.
Yeah, people in UFT. Alright. No.
The tree,
Yeah.
see if there's a birdie. No.
I want to pet him, but I know he's gonna bite. There's a baby bird that can't fly.
We found a baby bird. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You guys found a dead baby bird?
No, it's alive. It's alive. It's just that he's afraid to move.
Anthony, stop stroking him!
Oh, bye, birdie.
Bye, birdie.
Bye, birdie.
Here comes everyone wanting to see the baby
you go.
birdie. Oh no, birdie! No!
Birdie.
No!
Oh God. Watch him.
He's not injured.
He's not injured. He just can't fly.
Anthony, what are you doing?
Oh my God.
What is that anyway?
Touch it! Don't
No, he's letting it go. We've just been observing him for a little while.
All right, now let the bird live in peace in his
I
own
think we
private
should back
life.
up from the bird, let it go on its merry way.
Yeah.
So, signing off.
Yeah. What Joe said.